𝗧𝘀𝗎𝗙𝗎𝗀𝗎𝗎𝗀. My brothers and sisters, we're coming towards the end of the day. We were going through different camps and providing the iftar parcels that you have been donating for. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of you. As you can see, different families and many mothers, widows and people in need are picking up the food parcels that will last them for a month. So one of these boxes will last a month for one family. Just give it 3 boxes would cost you £90. For £90 you can help 3 families for a whole month. We are in the month of Ramadan. I don't need to tell you the urgency. You can see how desperate they are. You can see how much they need it. But what I will tell you is how much Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you for providing the iftar. Number 1, it's Ramadan and you're providing iftar. Now iftar, every time someone breaks their fast, Allah will give you the reward of their fast as well. The second reason you should be giving is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala aids you as much as you aid others. Now you have reasons to give. You have reasons to give. You want ajr. You want Allah to help you with your affairs. Help our brothers and sisters. Keep donating inshaAllah ta'ala so that we can help and alleviate their hunger. One of the best reasons to give is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides Jannah from those who give. The Prophet said in a hadith, feed the hungry and Allah will feed you from the fruits of Jannah. Now I know that we are in Ramadan and all of us want to go to Jannah. One of the best ways to go there is by helping others. So I encourage you all, keep sending the donations in and keep helping out inshaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.